Good morning ba guys, I will show you how to use the Mechanic 3005D power supply. I will show you how to use the function of these buttons. So now let's on. Yes, now you see the M1, M2, M3, M4, the voltage, the ampere. So see, we will adjust the voltage sign volt. So we'll adjust to 3.8. So to move the digit, you just press and we'll make 3. Then the ampere, so we'll make the ampere 1.8. 1.8. Press, make it 8. And that's it. So 3.8, 3.8, 1.8. So let's long press. When you see the tone, it means it's working. It's the adjust is now okay. See, 1.8, 3.8. So we will adjust to number M2. So M2 is 4.5. So we will not adjust the voltage. We will adjust only the ampere. So ampere, we will put 2.5. So press this one to move the digit. So 2. Then long press after the tone here. So now see, okay. M3, we will adjust the M3. M3 is 3.8. It's okay. M4 is 4.8. It's 5 ampere. So it's okay. So no more. No more adjust. We don't have to need adjust. So now this one is the OCP and count OCP. So this ba guys? Now we will try M1 lock. We will lock that lock. Now that is locked. Now we will lock that. So look, it's locked. So you cannot move the voltage, the ampere. So it's locked. So to off the lock, you long press. Now no more lock, so you can adjust. Number 2, so if you want to lock this voltage and ampere, just long press and you will see the red light. See the lock. That's it ba guys. So let's off the lock. Okay, that's ba guys. So this power supply is 30 volt and 5 ampere. So very useful for repairing, fixing power cell phone. So thank you ba guys for watching. Please subscribe.